chemistry review topic 14, models of the atom. All right, so are you ready? Let's go. So the model of the atom first, Dalton, most well known because came up with the first atomic theory with 5 principles, although he didn't think atoms could be broken into smaller pieces, which we now know is false. But anyway, Dalton's model was a solid sphere. Think of marble. Okay, solid sphere, just like that. Thomson did an experiment called the cathode ray experiment. So you can see a demonstration right here. A magnet is being brought close, illustrating the fact that this beam of particles has a charge. Okay, and what Thomson also did, which I just found wild, is he put a little paddle wheel inside that tube. What he found is that the paddle wheel turned with that beam, which meant there was some mass in those particles. So what Thomson's model looked like was this positive soup with these negative electrons stuck in it. So how did he know the soup was positive? Well, he knew that atoms in general were neutral. So if there were electrons, which is what he discovered, then there had to be something positive. Okay, then Rutherford did an experiment called the gold foil experiment. And most of the alpha particles just went right through the gold foil, but some bounced at angles, some even bounced right back. He was like, what the heck? That was not what I was expecting. So what Rutherford determined is that the atom is in fact mostly empty space, but there is a central nucleus with a positive charge and most of the mass of the atom. After Rutherford, and so his model is kind of planetary. And then we have Bohr's model, which introduced electron energy levels. And then we have the quantum mechanical model, electron cloud model, which is our most current understanding of the model of the atom. And that's it, how the model of the atom changed over time.